Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of location on the application of Rave, or how to hide your location from people on Rave app. First of all, you will go to this sign of settings, you will click here. In this list, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Rave, and you will enter here. In this page, you will go to the window of permissions and you will enter. You will find this window here. You will find location, you will click. Then in this window, as you see here, you will find this note of location that data may be shared. So what you have to do is you will click on don't allow, as you see, and in that way you will not allow the permission of location here for first method, as you see. Then we will go here, as you see, and you will find this sign, you will click on it, and as you see here, you will click on turn off to turn off the location, as you see from this page too. And after that, you will go to this application itself of Rave. You will enter here. You will wait a moment. After that, you click on settings. You will find this page and you click here on hide location. And as you see here, you will find this sentence of you will not appear on the map. So in that way, you can know how to hide location or how to fix the problem of location on the application of Rave, as you see. Just follow this method step by step. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.